Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am back today with my subscription box for November from Jollysticks. I always love her nice big bows too. So let's pull out all the goodies. And you get your thank you card and your little discount on the other side. I get my loyalty card and my little sticker, which I need because my other loyalty card is all filled up. And then we get a Be Happy journaling card and a Cozy Night sticker kit. And then it says, due to the delivery delay of one of the sticker albums, I have enclosed an extra washi tape and a store credit code in this box instead. I hope that's okay, Mandy. So here is our Cozy Nights. Oh, I love that she has the double stickers this time. Your box is at the end. I have a little chihuahua, kind of looks like that. Look how pretty. I love, love, love the color scheme of this one. So pretty. And then we get some deco and some girls. And look, we have the date dots are little candles. Super cute. And then in this one, we have 2 rolls of washi. One looks like the Starry Night, and then we have some just pink checked. Super cute. And look how much washi you get on those. That is a lot of washi. So those are great. So that is our November box from Jollysticks. Super cute. And can't wait to use this kit. I hope if you have enjoyed this video and you are not already a subscriber, please consider subscribing. Hit that little bell so you get notified of when I upload new content. And if you liked this video, be sure and give it a thumbs up. Helps my channel out. And share it if you would like. And I'll be back soon with another crafty, planner, or beauty video.